spectrum lighting. Today we are going to be reviewing our Vino Pendant, which is part of our Spec Loom decorative series. As you can see, the Vino is a very elegantly shaped fixture and one of our larger scale pendants at 24 inches in diameter. But what's most unique about this product is its lens, which is diffused and opaque. Behind here are multiple recessed LEDs with a special reflector that remove any visual LED imaging. This creates a soft and comfortable visual surface. We spin all of these right here in our factory, and we've created this rollback feature which hides any visual hardware. You can hang all of these fixtures as a pendant, with a cord, or with the cord and cable. The Vinos come in all of our architectural finishes and have a variety of dimming options. Again, this is our Vino Pendant from our Spec Loom decorative series, made right here in New England at our factory. We want to thank you again for choosing Spectrum Lighting.